Once, in the art of Tuscany, there was a bread so simple, yet so perfect. It was a staple of life itself. A humble creation, born from the hands of generations who pressed their stories into its golden crust. It was a bread of farmers, of laborers, of those who sought comfort in its crisp yet tender embrace, a companion to wine, to laughter, to the simple joys of existence. Welcome to Mile Zero Kitchen. This is Schiacciata Sandwich.
Electric vehicle. Just briefly.